Hi everyone, in today's video I'm gonna explain to you how to delete a Revolut account. Now before we start, make sure to like and subscribe if you find this video helpful. So what you're gonna have to do in order to delete your Revolut account is simply open the app on your phone, and then what you're gonna have to do next is simply go to settings by clicking on your account name on the top left corner. Then simply go to accounts and documents, and then simply scroll to the bottom and click close business account. Now if you want, you can do this with your business account or personal account. It's the same process. Then you're gonna have to choose a reason for closing your account, and your account will be closed instantly. As you can see, in certain situations they may not be able to close your account straight away. So basically that's all you have to do in order to delete your Revolut account. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.